Everyone, how to do it. Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use ChatGo AI Chat 5 assistant in your easily. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then tap here open button. So built in latest AI model, so you'll get here all the latest model in this application. So let's see. So loading please. So you can see, so first of all you need to do something like you have to select your language. So I'm just going to keep the English and select your avatar. I choose randomly and tap the sign up button, or you can start up, but there are a lot of ad in this application. So no sign up, tap the start chat. So tap the continue button again and again, but the problem is ad is here a lot. So you can see the problem is this app, it's not like other apps. You will face many ad in this app, so the interface is not good. And you can see here topics, so convert word, say emoji. So you can see it's good, amazing, and chat, PDF, AI art, character AI. So all the thing is available in one place, but if you are a free user, then you have to face a lot of ad. And tap the for icon, you can see settings option is here. Also write a message, I write something like, you can type, you have 3 messages left, so you will message only 4 in the free version. So if you're looking for the premium package, then this app is good for you. You can change the model is here, GPT-4 and GPT mini, GPT. So you can see Gemini Pro, Cloudy. So 4 model is available here, so you can try. And if you want to buy the premium package, tap the Pro. So you can see here yearly or 3 days trial, then you can continue with limited version. So you can try. I can say it's good app if you pay for using this app.